Well, Detroit Supercross was definitely not the introduction to the sport that Triumph wanted, and definitely not for Evan Ferry on his first Supercross on a factory ride, quote unquote. If you missed it, well, here it is. First corner of, I believe this is the main. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I think it is. The two people right there on the outside in the super neon kit, you can't miss them, are the Triumph boys, and well, that's Evan Ferry going into the wall. Well, can't see it on that side, but you can see him go off the track because he's on the outside, and he kind of gets just sucked into the crash that everyone was involved with. It's one of those things that if you start on the outside, you're always going to have the problem of people going wide. Somebody crashes, you're just kind of in the line of fire. And if you look at this one, the actual other side of it, you can see him down in the bottom right there. He gets a pretty good jump, but just dominoes, dominoes, dominoes. He gets and then slams into the wall, and you can see immediately he is fully out. Coming from Kellen Brower says, "Quote: Report from post-race press conference is that Evan Ferry was checked by Alpinestars medics and is believed to be okay." The good thing is, because this is the East Coast, they have like, was it 3 or 4, something like that. They have a few weeks before they're going to be racing again. So even if he did get a concussion, he's going to have plenty of time to, work through it and heal and, get back on the bike and not worry about it. But I guess in the comments below, you guys tell me, what did you think of the Triumph in their first race? Did you like the Detroit Supercross? Are you happy with who's doing well in 450? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.